Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery, healing, and transformation? Welcome to SkyyGems, your guide to the mesmerizing world of crystals. We provide knowledge about their individual attributes, healing energies, and spiritual connotations. These beautiful stones possess healing properties, bringing balance and harmony. Whether you're an experienced crystal enthusiast or a beginner, we're here to offer a treasure trove of wisdom, guidance, and inspiration to support you on your journey. Together, we will uncover the secrets of ancient crystal wisdom. We'll delve into crystal healing, meditation, astrology, and energy work. Our aim? To empower to cultivate balance, harmony, and well-being. SkyyGems offers more than just a wealth of information. We are a community of growth, exploration, and holistic living. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Seeking the perfect crystal, SkyyGems offers guidance, inspiration, and positivity. Subscribe today and watch the magic unfold.
Welcome to SkyyGems. Ever wondered how to properly cleanse your crystals? Well, you're in the right place to learn. Firstly, choosing the right method is crucial. There are several ways to cleanse crystals, including water, smoke, sound, or sunlight. The method you choose should resonate with you and be compatible with the type of crystal you have. Now, before you start, don't forget to set your intention. This involves focusing your energy on purifying the crystal. It could be a short prayer or even a visualization of white light enveloping the crystal, clearing away any negativity. One of the most popular ways to cleanse crystals is with water. This involves holding the crystal under running water for a few minutes or submerging it in a bowl of water for a longer period. Always use clean filtered water. But remember, this method isn't suitable for soft or porous stones. Another effective method is smoke cleansing. This involves burning herbs like sage or palo santo. As the smoke wafts around the crystal, concentrate on your intention to clear away any negative energy. Sound can also be a powerful cleanser. The vibrations from a singing bowl, chimes, or even your own voice can purify the crystal. Just wave the sound over the crystal and let it do its work. Placing your crystal in direct sunlight or moonlight for a few hours is another simple way to cleanse. The natural energy from the sun or moon can help purify the crystal. But remember, certain crystals can fade if left in sunlight for too long. After cleansing, your crystal needs recharging. Leave it in a bowl of sea salt or hold it under running water while visualizing it being filled with positive energy. Finally, store your crystal in a safe and sacred place free from negative energy. A pouch or cloth wrap can provide added protection. In summary, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to cleansing crystals. What's most important is listening to your intuition and doing what feels right for you and your crystals. With some care and attention, your crystals will continue to radiate positive energy and support you on your journey. So go forth, cleanse those crystals and let them shine. Thank you so much for watching this episode of SkyyGems. And as you go about your day, remember to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.